You know that some horses live better than most humans? I'm not joking. We're talking five-star hotel rooms on wheels that also happen to carry horses. Okay, so most people think a horse box is just a big trailer. You throw a horse in the back, drive to the show, done, right? Wrong. Because somewhere along the way, someone looked at a regular horse box and thought, you know what, let's add a kitchen, a cinema room, a marble bathroom, and maybe a rooftop deck. And the rest of the world just said, yes, absolutely yes. Today, we're counting down the 7 most insane, jaw-dropping, borderline ridiculous luxury horsebox conversions ever built. And trust me, by the time we get to number 1, you're gonna question every life decision that led you to not owning one of these things. Let's get into it. Number 7, the rolling country estate. So we're starting at number 7, and already, this thing is absurd. Picture a classic British lorry on the outside. Nothing too crazy, you'd probably drive past it on the motorway without a second glance. But then, the door opens. Inside, you've got hand-stitched leather seating, a fully fitted kitchen with granite worktops, and, I'm not making this up, an actual wine rack, built into the wall, in a horse box. The living quarters are separated from the horse area by soundproofing paneling, so the horses travel in complete quiet while the humans crack open a Bordeaux and watch the countryside roll by. There's underfloor heating, a full-size bed, and custom wood cabinetry that looks like it belongs in a Chelsea townhouse. Now here's the crazy part. The entire conversion was done by a small family workshop in Yorkshire. No massive factory, just craftsmen who clearly have zero limits. This is number 7. It only gets wilder from here. Number 6, the Show Ring VIP Lounge. And if you thought number 7 was impressive, wait till you see this. This one was built specifically for the competitive show circuit. And when I say built for the elite, I mean it. This horse box has a full entertainment lounge that slides out from the side of the vehicle. Like, the wall literally expands outward to create more space, while parked at a showground. The interior? Oak flooring, a flat-screen TV mounted above a custom bar unit, leather bar stools, a bathroom with a rainfall shower and heated towel rails. Oh, and the horse area has individual stalls with padded walls, rubber-matted floors, and automatic water dispensers. I mean, just look at this thing. The horses are genuinely more comfortable here than most animals on the planet. And the owners? They're basically tailgating in a penthouse. The slide-out mechanism alone costs more than some people's cars. But when you're competing at Olympia or Hickstead, apparently you need to show up right. Number 5, the American Dream on Wheels. Okay, we're crossing the Atlantic for number 5, because when Americans do something, they don't do it halfway. This beast is built on a semi-truck chassis, a full semi-truck. It stretches out at over 45 feet long and carries up to 6 horses in the back. But the front half, that's a luxury apartment, full stop. We're talking 2 separate bedrooms, a living room with wraparound leather sofas, a kitchen with a gas range and dishwasher, and, because of course, a washer and dryer combo. There's a bunk area for the grooms, a private ensuite for the owners, and smart lighting throughout that you control from your phone. The exterior is wrapped in a custom deep metallic paint that shifts color in sunlight. It honestly looks like something Batman would use to transport his horses, if Batman had horses. And if you're still watching this video, go ahead and hit that like button, because we've got 4 more, and they just keep getting more insane. Number 4 is where things get genuinely emotional, because someone, somewhere in Scandinavia, decided that a horse box should feel like a wellness retreat, and they nailed it. The design philosophy here is full Nordic minimalism. Think pale birchwood, soft cream linens, brushed steel fixtures, and ambient lighting that you'd expect from a 5-star spa in Stockholm. The color palette is calm, intentional, and honestly, stunning.
But here's what makes it different from everything else on this list. There's a built-in sauna, a proper cedar-lined sauna tucked into the rear corner of the living area, right next to a rainfall shower room. After a long day at the eventing course, the owners literally sauna in the Horsebox, in the field. The horse stalls are equally thoughtful, climate-controlled, lined with Swedish timber, and built with wide turning bays, so each horse has genuine comfort, no cramped spaces, no stress. This isn't just luxury, it's luxury with a philosophy, and it's breathtaking. Number 3, the floating palace. Okay, we are in the top 3 now, and I need you to mentally prepare yourself. Number 3 was commissioned by a Middle Eastern royal family, and the budget was, let's say, not a concern. This conversion starts with a custom-built 6x6 heavy haulage truck, the kind you'd use to move military equipment, except instead of tanks, they're moving 2 of the most expensive racehorses in the world, and doing it in absolute, unapologetic opulence. The living quarters featured 24-karat gold-plated fixtures in the bathroom. Yes, gold. The walls are covered in hand-embroidered silk panels flown in from Iran. There's a dining area with a table that seats 6, a lounge modeled after a traditional majlis with floor cushions and low lighting, and a tech system that controls everything: temperature, entertainment, curtains, lighting, from one central iPad. The horse stalls? Individually climate-controlled, monitored by live cameras that feed directly to the owner's phone, and lined with the finest rubber matting money can buy. You won't believe what's inside until you see it, and even then, it doesn't feel real. Trust me, you don't want to miss number 1. Number 2, the Rockstar Tour Bus crossed with a stable. I genuinely wasn't sure where to put this one on the list, because it's not just a horse box, it's a statement. This conversion was built for a famous European show jumper, someone who basically lives on the road for 9 months of the year, and they wanted something that felt less like a work vehicle and more like a home, like an actual home. So the team stripped everything back and rebuilt the entire lorry interior from scratch. The aesthetic? Dark, moody tones, velvet upholstery, Edison bulb lighting, exposed dark wood panels. It honestly feels like stepping into a really cool boutique hotel bar. There's a full recording studio corner because the owner plays guitar on long trips, a reading nook with a built-in bookshelf, a cooking area with a range hood, marble splashback, and a coffee machine that probably cost more than your rent. The horse area is separated by a real timber partition with brass fittings, and there's a groom's quarters at the very rear with its own entrance, bunk beds, and private bathroom. Now here's the crazy part. Every single piece of furniture in this build is custom. Nothing was bought off a shelf. Every corner was designed, prototyped, and refined. The result? Something that doesn't look like any other horse box ever made. Absolutely remarkable. But it's still not number 1. Number 1, the one that changed everything. Okay, here we are, number 1. And before I even describe it, let me just say, this horse box was exhibited at a European trade show a few years back, and people literally queued for hours, just to step inside and look around. This is the Pegasus Elite, a fully bespoke, purpose-built luxury horsebox conversion that redefines what a vehicle can be. It starts with a purpose-engineered low-frame chassis, designed to keep the horses at a lower center of gravity for smoother travel. Every panel of the exterior is hand-painted in a deep, shifting midnight blue, with a mother-of-pearl effect that changes in sunlight. It looks alive. Inside the living area, and I want you to picture this, there's a double-height ceiling section in the lounge. They raised the roofline specifically to give the space a loft apartment feel. There are skylights in a horse box, actual skylights with electronic blinds. The kitchen is fully professional grade. Induction hobs, a line fridge, a proper oven. The bathroom has a freestanding copper bathtub, a bathtub with a statement chandelier above it. There's a home office built in, a massage chair, a media wall with a 65-inch screen. The bedroom has a California king bed with memory foam and temperature-regulating sheets. And the horses? They travel in what can only be described as a first-class stable. Individual air suspension per stall, monitoring sensors for heart rate, temperature, and movement, soft lighting on timers to help the horses sleep. The floor has active vibration dampening, so the horses feel less road movement than the driver does. The entire build took 22 months, a team of 14 craftsmen, and a budget that the company tastefully refuses to disclose publicly. This is not a Horsebox. This is art. This is the future. And honestly, it makes me want to be a horse.
Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, because personally, I'm torn between the Scandinavian Spa and the Pegasus Elite, and I genuinely cannot choose. And if you enjoyed this video, and I really hope you did, go ahead and hit that like button. It genuinely helps more people find this channel, and it lets me know you want more content like this. We cover everything from the world's most incredible vehicle builds to the most jaw-dropping automotive stories out there. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Because next time, we're looking at custom super yacht tenders, private jet interiors, and luxury RV conversions that cost more than most people's houses. You do not want to miss it.